Hello guys, so I will let you know how you can install the Google Map Lead Extractor extension in your browser and you can use this. So first of all, once you get paid and you get the this zip file, you just first of all you just need to right click on that and just extract here. Alright, and after that you just need to go to your browser and just click on this button. Here is the extension button. Just click on manage extensions. After that, just make sure that your developer mode must be on. You will see here, you just need to click on developer mode on and click on load unpack, and here you will see the extension. Just click on this, select folder. It will automatically upload into your extension. Just click on this reload button. After that, you just need to open a map, Google Map, and search for any business. Like I wanna search for painters in Australia. Okay, I just for painters in Australia, and you will see here. Here we go the extension. You by using this click button, you can switch this pop up to right side or left side by using this arrow button. All right, and just scroll down, you will see all the leads over here. You just need to click on the start button. It will automatically extracting the leads and fetching them and putting all the data into a CSV files. It will fetch all the business which is in the left side in the Google map. You can see over there. You can also stop, but it's you will see here, as per our query the results are end, so it's also ended now. I just click on the export list. It will automatically list into the CSV file and saved in your browser, saved in your local devices like laptop or PC, something like that. Just click on this, open this. All right, but the thing you have business name, their category, reviews rating, number of reviews, their address, business address, and their business website, their business phone number, and their business email. So you can use all of this data for your marketing outreach, for your you can do like website audit or something like that. You can uh, do business outreach by cold calling. You can do by cold email or something like that. Thanks for watching.